Welcome to the Manufacturing Evolution. I'm Ron, and today we're tackling resilient supply chains. From New Jersey to the Delaware Valley and beyond, recent shocks showed that speed alone isn't strength. Resilience protects customers, cash, and credibility, and wins business when rivals stall. Let's turn disruption into a competitive advantage. Resilience works when people, process, and technology move together. People set goals and make tough calls. Processes shape how we plan, buy, make, and ship under stress. Technology provides data, predictions, and automation. Lead with purpose, standardize the work, then add tools that help. Avoid tech first and sidelining frontline insight. In the first 30 days, map risk across your value stream. Flag single source parts, long lead materials, capacity pinch points, critical skills, and systems without backups. Note geopolitical, weather, and cyber exposure by site and tier. Score impact and likelihood, then prioritize hotspots that can halt shipments or hurt margins badly. Clean data is the cheapest resilience. Fix item names and suppliers, retire duplicate SKUs, and confirm bills of material and routings truly match the floor. Tie units of measure, lead times, and yield. When the basics are right, plans stabilize, exceptions shrink, and every tool gets smarter day after day. Improve forecasts by blending history with live signals. Watch open orders, distributor sell-through, market indices, promotions, even local weather and news. Lightweight AI can weigh these inputs and flag turning points sooner. Keep humans in the loop to review outliers, explain shifts, and lock decisions before execution and measure gains. By day 60, hold inventory with intent, not habit. Segment parts by value and demand variability. Set safety stocks where service matters most and use postponement to delay final configuration. Place decoupling points to absorb swings. For suitable items, consider vendor-managed or consigned stock to share risk and cash burden. Diversify smartly, qualify alternates for critical parts, split awards to keep sources warm, and develop options where transport is fragile. Compare nearshoring and reshoring with total cost, lead time, and risk. Use should-cost analysis to negotiate fairly, fund productivity, and avoid chasing the lowest unit price and cost to serve. Treat suppliers as partners. Share realistic demand views, capacity plans, and quality trends. Use simple scorecards that combine delivery, defects, responsiveness, and improvement ideas. Run joint problem-solving events and agree on flexible terms for minimums, lead times, and indexed pricing. Celebrate wins and escalate fast when risks appear upstream early. Build flexibility on the floor and in transit. Use quick changeovers, modular tooling, and cellular layouts to pivot fast. Hold small capacity buffers, and define overtime playbooks. In logistics, use multi-carrier strategies, diverse ports, cross-docks, and regional hubs. A good transportation system supports dynamic routing when plans change without chaos. Favor flexible automation. Cobots for packing or machine tending, mobile robots for material moves, and automated inspection can scale up or down quickly. Pair with sensors that track assets and machine health. Feed one central dashboard so teams manage by exception, fix early, and keep people focused on value work. Monitor risks continuously. Watch supplier finances, local news, weather, and cyber hygiene. Set automatic alerts with clear playbooks. Who acts, by when, using which options. Use scenario modeling to stress test demand spikes, a supplier outage, or a port delay. Measure time to recover and time you can survive without disruption. Meet often, decide fast. Hold weekly demand and supply reviews backed by daily tiered huddles. Define decision rights and escalation rules so experts stay central, not sidelined by software. Build data literacy, frontline problem solving, and change skills so people trust new tools and sustain improvements across 30, 60, 90 checkpoints and seasons. Connected supply chains need strong defenses. Segment plant networks, control vendor access, patch quickly, and rehearse incidents like fire drills. When changing sources or processes, keep quality tight. Run formal approvals, first piece checks, and traceability. Be ready to quarantine and recall fast, protecting customers while you stabilize operations under pressure. Right size your tools. Get discipline from your core business system. Add lightweight planning apps or AI where they pay back fast and close gaps with simple workflows. Track resilience with plain metrics. Forecast accuracy, plan adherence, on-time delivery, lead time swings, supplier performance, inventory turns, expediting, recovery speed, and cash impact. We covered risk mapping, clean data, smarter forecasting, segmented inventory, diverse sourcing, supplier partnerships, flexible factories, agile logistics, automation, visibility, monitoring, and disciplined planning. Now start small. One family, baseline metrics, a 90-day pilot, demand sensing, second source, cobot cell, fund with grants, credits, and cash freed from waste. Thanks for listening.